All right, sixth grade, we're going to learn how to add some integers. I've gone over this a little bit before in the past, but I just wanted to go over it again. So I have 4 examples here, and then a number line to help us out too. So I'm going to show you 2 different methods. The first one is just going to be the mental way. A lot of the times when we talk about negative numbers, I like to think of money and owing someone money or being in debt and then gaining money or getting a paycheck. So if that way works for you, go ahead and do it. And then the second way I'm going to show you is with the number line. Which might help a couple of you out to just actually visualize it. So again, you could either do it the mental way, which is fine just in your head, or you can go ahead and make a number line of your own. All right. So number 1, let's see here. It says -3 plus 1. So with integers, remember we're working with positive, negative numbers. If I owe someone $3, so let's say I owe my dad $3, and then I have $1, how much do I owe him still? That's how I like to think about it. So that's the first way. If you like the number line way, just go ahead and make your number line. Make sure that you have a 0 in the middle, positive numbers on the right-hand side, negative numbers on the left-hand side. All right. When it comes to problems, we start at the very first number that is given to us. In this case, it is -3. So put your pencil here at -3. And then plus means that you're always going to the right. So adding means that you're always going to the right. So you go -3 and you bounce over +1 to -2. And that's where you land. So your answer to this is -2. All right, let's move on to the next one. -1 plus -3. So I owe someone $1. And then I borrow more money from them and I owe them another $3. And again, owe means that you're in the negative. So -1 plus -3. Again, if you can do it mentally, go for it. If not, we always start at our first number. I almost said letter, that would be wrong. First number, which is -1. Let's go up here to your number line, start at -1. You add negative numbers, which is kind of like the same thing as subtracting. So you're going to end up being more negative. So you would end up going to the left, okay? So add negative, which means you're going to be more negative, so you go to the left. 1, 2, 3, and you end at -4. So your answer to this one is -4. All right? Let's go ahead and bounce over here. +3 plus -5. So I have $3 and then I borrow some. And I spend $5. How much do I owe? Again, you can think of it as money. That's fine. Number line way, start at, where are we at? +3 right here. And then I add negative, which is the same thing as subtracting. So I go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm going to overlap 5, which is going to get me at -2. My answer is -2 on that one. For the very last one, we have +4 plus -4. I start with $4 and then I spend $4. How much money do I have left over? The number line way, we always start with the very first number that comes first. Start with what comes first. So start here. And then we're adding negative, and if we're adding negative, we go to the left. If we add positive, we go to the right. If we add negative, we go to the left. So go ahead and bunny jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I end up at 0. So my answer is 0. If any of this is confusing to you, I'm going to be posting more videos to help you guys out tomorrow. This is due on Friday.